Good morning, trading family. How you doing today? Chris here from the Mind Bloom Exchange. Well, based on our last analysis of Tesla, I put Tesla in this box here, and I said, hey, if this beautiful box here, I believe it was this right here, and I said, hey, if it breaks up, we're going to go up, and if it breaks down below this support here, right here, then we're going to break down into these lower levels. That was the thesis. Now, what happened so far is this market, of course, broke out, which was not a bad buying opportunity. However, that was short-lived, right? And then from there, as soon as we broke this level right here, we made a lower low. This market started churning back down and started breaking our levels of support all the way down. And now we're here at level of support. And now we're sort of figuring out this decision-making process on where are we going? Are we going up? Are we going down? So let's figure this out a little bit quickly. And then from there, understand where that process is. First, we'll remove this little box of ours as such, and we'll remove the arrows as such as well. Next, I did put in a pitchfork. This pitchfork tool just gives us a good frame, and at the same time, you could go that way, but personally, I found that at this moment in time, based on this market, that's actually, it's either that one or it was either this one right here that worked really well. But if you wanted to run with this, let's do that. Next, okay, so with that gauge there and our levels of support, where is our next level of support? Well, you have a level of support right here at that purple line right there, and then your next level of support is right here. So if we break further than the 417 or was it 412.28 marker, then the expectation that I could sort of see is that we drop down to 403, 394, 374, 364, or a big kahuna of 322. I don't know if one of those three will hit if we don't hold this level here. Now, what can we expect moving forward in this direction? Well, let's have a look. So first of all, right now, this market has hit a support level. Right here is a level of support. I'll just draw it out for you right here. Right, that's one level of support. That's our level of support. And now we're hitting our third level of support right here. Presto bango, right? 1, 2, 3. And then if you actually look back in the past, that level of support is actually right there. And that level of support is right here as well. Pretty much this whole area is that level there. So why am I not surprised that we are having this level of support in this market? We are technically trying to either push off and figure out, can the bulls take it from here or not? What I would like to say is, if you are thinking about buying into Tesla for whatever reason, me personally, I want to see this price action nailed on the head before I even touch this. Why? It's because right now, currently, we are in a low, and then just this market, it's too much of a risk. You could try from here, but the likelihood that this market can and will go like this is high. And that's why I think having a level right here, a price action right there, and adding an alert right there and seeing how the market reacts to there. And if we can break up above it and go down and go up like a break breath, then that would be not a bad buying opportunity there. But that's just my thesis on what I'm sort of seeing with this market at the moment. So moving forward, what I would say is if we can break up above the 425 marker, then I could, our first level of resistance would be the 431. And then if we can break above there, then I would be looking at levels of here. And if we can break above that, well, then Bob's your uncle. And if he's not your uncle, I'm sorry. You can go from there, and then we'll probably be in a transition phase of moving up bullish. Now, based on what I'm seeing, that may happen if some massive news happens and some other things happen and change the course of it. But right now, currently, that's what I'm sort of seeing there. And now if we break lower than this level here, I see us going to that level first, the 411. If we can't hold the 411, then we're going to the 402, and then so forth, 394. And we'll use those three levels at this moment in time. 374 is another one, but honestly, we can keep going down as low as you want personally. But I want to sort of be realistic with this and make sure that you can have everything on track with what you need. That's what I'm sort of seeing. We break the 425. Let's look for possible break of highs. If we break it further going down, let's see if we can break the 411, 403, 393, and then possibly 374. So that's sort of where, and you know what, if I want it to be super simple to keep your life easy, we'll do it like that. Break out of the box on the top, let's look for highs. Break out of the box on the low, we look for some lows. Now, if you like that analysis and you want to know more, send me a DM. If you like what I'm saying, like, comment, subscribe, video, whatever, boost, whatever you feel adds value to yourself and to your trading. If you're struggling with your wellness with trading, you're feeling burnout or you're feeling stress, anxiety, and all those wonderful things that suck with trading when you have those crappy moments, send me a DM. More than happy to help wherever I can. Hopefully have a fantastic day. We're going to go on to Palantir and then NVIDIA and then DJT and then MU and then DXYZ. And lastly, of course, Bitcoin. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next one.